Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip I will show you. I will also tell you how you can fix multimedia sound not working on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes under the video, write your comments. And let us get started with you. Okay friends, first you will need to make sure that your phone is not in silent mode. To do that, swipe from the right side from top to bottom. And now look at your mode. If it's like this, which is a crossed out bell, it means you're in silent mode. To fix that, switch it from silent mode. It's like this. Or go to settings and do it in the sounds and vibration settings. Also friends, turn up the volume on your phone. To do that, you can either press the volume up button, then the three dots. This way you will go to the sound settings. To do that, you'll need to press the gear and then scroll down, click on the vibration sounds option, and you will also go to these settings. Here you will need to put all the items media, alarms, ringtones, and notifications all set to maximum. If that doesn't work for you, then make sure you don't have some option enabled that mutes the sound. For example, in the vibration sounds down here, there are some other advanced settings. And since they're different on every Android, then please see if you have some setting enabled that mutes or unmutes the sound on your device. If, however, there is nothing like that, then you have two options. The very first one is to reboot your device. To do this, you will need to press the power button on the side and hold on to it. Next, you will need to press the red button or wait for the phone to turn off. This way, after rebooting, your problem can be fixed. If that doesn't help either, then unfortunately, you will need to reset your Android device to factory settings. This is the way you can try to fix the media sound not working on your Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. Friends, please put your likes, comments below this video. See you soon.